The question is, the patient presented with his head tilted towards right. On examination, he was having left hypertrophy, which is increased on looking towards right or medially. The muscle which is most likely paralyzed is, and the option is left superior oblique, left inferior oblique, right superior oblique, and right inferior oblique. So let's see the procedure for solving this type of question. So it has 3 steps. The first step is identify the hypertrophic eye. Here is the left eye is hypertrophic, so left hypertrophia, so right eye and left eye. Left eye is hypertrophic. That means the depressor muscles of the left eye is not functioning full. There is, we can say that the depressor muscle of the left eye is palsied. And in case of left hypertrophic, the relative right eye may go down, and it is called hypotrophic. So it is a relative things, that is, if one goes hypotrophic, then other goes hypertrophic. So in case of hypertrophic right eye, the elevator muscles are not fully functional, so it is elevator palsy. So let's see the muscles which affect this. So in case of left eye, the depressors are left inferior rectus and left superior oblique, and the right eye elevators are right superior rectus and right inferior oblique. So after completing the step 1, the next step is step 2. So in step 2, we have to find when hypertrophy increases. That is left hypertrophy which is increased on looking towards right or medially. So here write down that hypertrophy increase on looking rights. So let's draw a right eye and left eye. Both are looking right side. So for right side, it is goes away from the nose, so it is abduction, and in left side it is goes towards the nose, so it is adduction. And the right eye have elevator palsy from the previous image, and left eye have depressor palsy. So let's see the which muscles is responsible for this movement. So rectus muscles are mainly working on abducted position, and oblique muscles are worked on adducted position. So for right eye it is the rectus, and for left eye it is the oblique. So from right eye we get the right superior rectus, and for left eye we get left superior oblique. Among these two, one may be palsied. After completing the step 2, let's go to the step 3, and the head position. We have to check the position of the head. So here the patient present with his head tilted towards right. That is, the patient when present, it is already tilted towards right. So it is a compensatory mechanism to counteract the hypertrophy. So head tilted towards right, compensatory mechanism. So here is the rule for step 3 is head tilted towards the same direction as the paralyzed muscles action. That is, head tilted towards right. So let's see what does right side tilted means in case of right eye and in case of left eye. In case of right eye, we can see that there is extorsion, and in case of left eye it is intorsion. So the rule is head tilted towards the same direction as the paralyzed muscles action. So here intorsion causes superior muscles, that is from the mnemonic SIN, superiors are intorters. So in case of left eye, you can see that the intorsion is caused by only one muscle, left superior oblique, and the right superior rectus is not an extorter. Thanks for watching.